Hello everyone, this is Susanna from Hold It Right There Sewing Patterns. Welcome to the Vignette Phone Crossbody Bag Sewing Pattern video tutorial series. This sewing pattern is available for purchase on my website linked below. In this video series, I will walk you through every step of the pattern instructions. In this first video, I'll tell you a bit about the bag and the supplies that you'll need to make it. This small crossbody bag is ideal for running errands or for travel. Instructions are included for both heavy-duty snaps and magnetic snaps used to secure the flap. Beneath the flap is a slip pocket in the front with 2 card slots to hold your favorite cards. The main compartment holds your smaller items in its lining pocket with room for your keys and other necessities. Tuck your phone in the back slip pocket for quick access. Adjust the webbing crossbody strap to your preferred length. This beginner-friendly pattern requires minimal supplies. Be sure to check out the lookbook. This is a digital collection of the incredibly beautiful versions of the vignette that my testing team made. This is linked below. I will now cover the supplies listed on page 2 of the sewing pattern. For fabric 1, shown on the exterior of the slip pocket, you will need 1/4 yard or 1 fat quarter of quilt weight cotton, canvas, or linen. For fabric 2, used in the lining, you will need a 1/2 yard of quilt weight cotton. Fabric 3, used for the flap and the base of the bag, you will need 1/4 yard or 1 fat quarter of quilt weight cotton, canvas, linen, or home deck fabrics. Waxed canvas, cork, vinyl, or leather can be used for fabric 3. I will now cover the suggested interfacing. 1.5 yards of 20-inch woven interfacing, such as Pellon SF101 or similar, medium stabilizer for the flap, such as Decoville Light, and a piece of ultra-firm stabilizer for the snaps and base, such as Pellon Peltex. For notions and hardware, you need 1.5 yards of 1-inch wide webbing, so 54 inches in length. You need either 1 magnetic snap or 1 heavy-duty snap and the tools to install it. You will need 2 1-inch D-rings, 2 1-inch swivel hooks, 1 1-inch slide, fabric glue such as Fabri-Tac, a marking pen, and liquid fabric sealant such as Dritz Frey-Check. This covers all of the supplies needed to make the Vignette Phone Crossbody Bag. Once you've chosen your fabrics, join me for video 2 as we overview the pattern and prepare our fabric and interfacing to make our Vignette Crossbody Bag. Thanks for watching. Happy sewing.